Hello guys, Crypto Boo here, and this is the Mega Profits channel. Let's go straight to the point and see the crypto that I want to discuss with you today, and that's Atom. It's looking good. As you can see, price did bounce quite nicely from the 200 days moving average, and now it had this nice rally upwards, about 15% or even more, but right now it does not seem too good. We are actually the sellers are taking control. The price was moving into a falling wedge. I'll show you here, and it did look quite good for a moment, but right now it's showing weakness. Yes, because from what we can see here, the price is returning into the wedge structure. We can still count this as a retest. We'll see how this plays out because the volume here did actually make nice spikes and it's quite consistent, so we might be having something more here, an actual move and breakout to the upside, but we might as well come back down into the wedge just like here. You never know in crypto and in trading, so you have to be prepared for both scenarios. So if the trade looks risky, as it does now, you might want to not buy a way too big position, yeah? Um, that said, I want to show you something else. That's let's make it to 100 days moving average. Okay, orange, I can live with that. And let's make it visible. As you can see, we did try to touch it here. We have not even touched it, and we went down. That's actually a bearish scenario and a bearish sign. But if we go to the 4 hourly, we get quite a different picture. The 100 days moving average stays comfortably below price, and even the 200 days even the 200 moving average on the 4 hourly chart is still acting as support. And one other thing here though, as you can see from the wedge that we did draw a while ago, we are just retesting the breakout. Yes, so as long as the um, as this region here holds, yeah, as long as this holds, we might as well have a nice bounce here and go even higher. I'd say that if we go lower than 46.50 sets, we might be in for deeper and more stronger correction towards the bottom of this falling wedge. But until then, I'm really seeing this more as a retest of the breakout and then possibly a bullish continuation afterwards. Until this happens, though, we cannot say for sure whether this is going to play out or not, because if we want to be as punctual as possible, we still have this resistance here that we have to break, and we could not do it. But we can even go to lower time frames and see how it's going on. So far, so good. Um, it's not the best possible scenario, but it still looks good. And until proven wrong, I'm on the side of the bulls, and I think that we're just retesting the breakout. Atom has a really similar structure to the breakout of Algo yesterday, even though not as aggressive as it was with Algo. I do think that Atom can go higher, and I do think that we're at the start of something beautiful. But for this to happen, we have to close the daily above the wedge and then continue upwards. If this does not happen, we will most probably continue consolidating into the wedge and then eventually break to the upside or to the downside. Just like every chart that we are looking at, there are always two possibilities. Right now, I'm moderately bullish, even though the price does not give hints that it's going to go to the upside 100%. But I'm willing to take the risk and we'll see how this plays out. We can see what's happening to the crypto market as a whole. And actually, the market cap did not move way too much. The BTC dominance is actually falling a bit, and altcoins are seeing a relief rally and are going up in moderate paces. As you can see, to the first 10 all are in green, not too significant rises, but still good. And volume is coming back in, which might lead us to a quite green weekend. Yes, last one was not that green, and now after the shakeout has taken place, and a lot of people did sell the bottoms, the local bottoms for now. We can have a nice bounce or even continue the bull market because as of now we're still in a bull market, yes, and I do think that the bull trend will continue. Okay, once again, thank you for staying with me and looking into this interesting setup. I wish you a lot of good moments and a lot of profits while trading, and it was nice. Until next time.